Hey guys, this is Sonal. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to unbox February Feb bag which I've received today. So let's get started. So here is my bag. Okay, this is looking nice. Okay, one product is this. So let's start. This is sugar bling leather. So I've got choice in moisturizer, illuminating or compact. So I've chose this bling leather illuminating moisturizer in the shade 03 peach popping. Let's open this. Illuminating, guys, you can here is my second product, Blossom Couture Aroma Magic Wild Tea and Chamomile Face Wash, 20 ml. My third product is All Natural Co Pure Aloe Vera Gel. So guys, you know aloe vera gel is very good for the skin and I really love aloe vera gel, so really excited to try. And this is Strawberry Soap, company Shea, I think I'm pronouncing right, and this is a heart shape. So because of Valentine month, I guess this is looking nice. And हमारा last product, this is nail paint. Nice. And color is looking goldenish. Let's see. Oh, it is very nice. You can see this is a very pretty color. I really like this. So this is the bag. Here is usually which receipt cards. Here is all the price mentioned with the products. This is, you can participate in Feb bag contest. So here is the rule, you can see. And guys, this is not a paid or sponsored video. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get notified every time I upload the video. Bye bye.